Did you know that Antarctica's ice shelves act like giant doorstops, preventing inland glaciers from sliding into the ocean? Here's why that matters for the entire planet. Antarctica's massive ice shelves don't just look impressive, they're crucial gatekeepers for Earth's climate system. These floating ice platforms hold back enormous glaciers, preventing them from rapidly flowing into the ocean and causing catastrophic sea level rise. As these shelves melt, they release nutrient-rich freshwater that travels through ocean currents, connecting to foraging ecosystems like the Amazon basin. Scientists have discovered that when ice shelves weaken, it triggers a domino effect. Glacier movement accelerates, affecting ocean circulation patterns that influence rainfall in the Amazon. This process can intensify deforestation impacts, potentially transforming lush rainforests into arid landscapes through disrupted precipitation cycles. The connection between polar ice and tropical forests reveals nature's intricate balance. But here's a mind-bending question: if Antarctica's ice shelves disappeared completely, which ecosystems would collapse first?